It's 1:16. It's a Saturday. I have an appointment at 2 p.m. Ambot lang ako makaabot pa ba ako ani.
The Adventure of the Devil's Foot. In recording from time to time some recollections.
This audiobook by Sherlock Holmes has saved me from unbearable traffic. Sige na kong paminaw ani nila. Murag drama bitaw sa akong mama pa. Panahon sa kinaraang tao, drama ba? Nalingaw ko. Eh, it's Sherlock Holmes. Usa sa akong mga favorite fictional characters. Niya, ganahan kay ko sa yung pagka-audiobook kay there are different voices for different characters. So, kung na French, they speak French. Na German, they speak German. So, lingaw kayo. I tried listening to Harry Potter and Game of Thrones and Lord of the Rings. Nya, dili man kuan, different ang voices. So, I got bored first few kuan pa lang. Akong gipangita ng mga different conversations if naa ba. Wala. But Sherlock Holmes, very nice.
Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to McDonald's Drive-Thru. May order, please.
Nahuman ang appointment. Hopefully mapalito sila kay murag interesado ra bagi kay sila. And para nakoy komish. Kamo viewers, if you have properties, real estate properties you want to sell, contact me. Padung ako Country Mall, tanaw siguro og Deadpool while waiting for the time. Ang nakanindot aning Country Mall, barato ra ang movies niya. Okay ra ang quality. Nindot ang sound, ganahan ko sa sound. And barato ra gid siya compared sa Ayala and SM. So, if naay movie magani, dire jud ko mudagan. Unless if ganahan ko 3D. So, SM, IMAX. Pero Deadpool man. So, okay ra ni. Let's go.
A few inches later.
Deadpool was okay. Lingaw siya, daghang kog katawa. Nalingaw ko sa mga heroes, wala ko ga-expect. And na ko'y gitweet nga I think naa and naa jud. Lingaw. It's 3:45, Domingo ron, it's a Sunday, and we are going to play basketball with my high school friends and some of their friends para makompleto mi. Today is a Monday. It's 5:20 a.m. Akong gihatod si Daddy sa airport. Today is Wednesday and karon I'm going to have a haircut. Up until 11 years old, akong haircut kay either semi-upaw or flat top. So since I was little, akong buhok pabarog ba? Kani karon mo na yung resulta. Kani dire kilid. When I was 12 years old, naka-decide ko nga I have to innovate my hairstyle, and this was mainly because I was influenced by Trunks. I was heavily influenced by him, his swagger, his chill and cool look. Summer of 2000, I was in 5th grade. I bought a huge bottle of gel, Michael ang brand, and I grew out my hair. Taas na siya, about 2 inches, and then I started putting gel after taking a shower. Onya, paubos the hairstyle, the one that goes like that. Morning. Monday ko sa registrar ba? Naatoy covered walk dire before diha ako magtambay. During the time katong nagcast akong tuhod kay injured. Bali ako tuhod, so diha ako magtambay. Ako ra usa maglingkod ra ko. Mao ni ang basketball court na mo nag giduaan ako katong na injured ko. Dire gito. Dire. Pasa ako dire sa bola. Pak. Yan akong tuhod. Human higda din ko dire sa baseline. Dire ubos sa ring. Ay, nako. That was 2007. Manakog bayad, manakog pa-assess. Balik og June 2 to get my new TOR. SM na. Oh, inita. Grabe. Errands are done. I bought 2 shirts in Uniqlo. After that, I had it embroidered in Artist Stitch. Today, it's a Saturday. It's going to be a slightly busy day because I have a brokerage transaction again. So, musuroy na po ko dito sa akong gisuroyan last Saturday, which was earlier sa kaninga vlog. Just a side note, kaninga whole week, I've eaten nothing but gross food, mantikaon. Yan, ikaon po kog ice cream. Nahurot na akong usa ka, ingana. Nahurot ko niya ako rang usa. Grabe ka init! Walay clouds! Awa! So, another client, magkuhan, nagtanaw na sad mi. Inquire lang yapon, pagkahuman ng inquire. Pero main tag, kauyo na ni. I bought a smoothie, tropical slush from Fruitful kay maura to akong liquid lunch. Lami siya, it had mangoes, it had strawberries, it had banana. So, I think it's healthy. Murag gikumot ko ron akong tiyan. Kay gigutom kay ko ganina niya, katuro akong gikaon.